Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, if you have very large PDF files and you'd like to compress them for whatever reason, maybe you would like to send it and the PDF file is just too large to send, I'm going to show you how to actually convert this PDF and compress it. So let's get into it. The first thing we're going to go ahead and do is find a browser of choice, and we're going to jump into ilovepdf.com. Right at the top, you can see there are a bunch of tools, and we're going to look for Compress PDF. Now, as you can see here, you can select your PDF file. We're going to select this one, and here we're going to select the one that we would like to compress and tap on Open. Now, you can add more files to this if you would like, but for now, we're going to just go ahead over to the right-hand side, and we're going to choose one of the three options. So the extreme compression. This gives low quality but high compression. So if you have a massive file and you really want to bump that size down, that is the option you want. The recommended compression, that gives you a balance of good quality as well as good compression. And then the less compression, that gives you high quality and less compression. So if quality is your game and that's what you're looking for, and you just want to bump that size down a teeny tiny bit, that is the option. For now, we're going to go ahead with the recommended compression, and we're going to say compress PDF. Now, as you can see here, it will not take a lot of time, and within the next few seconds it will be compressed. You can now go ahead and actually download this compressed version of your PDF to your device. Now, if this was a helpful video, you can go ahead, drop us a like, share it with a friend, and we'll see you in another awesome one. Peace.